Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up with the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really does help out with that vicious algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't already, it's free. Happy Friday, everyone. I am so excited to help kick off this wonderful Labor Day weekend with Tokidoki. I'm so excited to bring you another Tokidoki video. So per every Tokidoki order, they do like to include these stickers. Like, look at this cat. It's like working out. It's like a healthy grocery cat bag. Y'all, summer is coming towards an end. I know people are like, oh, it's not for another 26 days. Well, unfortunately for all you summer lovers, people are gonna go hardcore into their Halloween. And it's thundering and storming outside right now as I speak. But Tokidoki has done it again. Look at this very cute packaging. It's, of course, in the style of an ice cream truck. And these are the options. Obviously, that chase is amazing, that little chaser. Summer Sickle, interesting. Rocco Choco, Orange Creamy, Choco Minty, Stellina Pop, Aloha Swirl, Rainbow Snow, Ube-licious, which is awesome, and Mochilina. So many great options. I love this line, and I just knew I had to have it. And yet again, I have another palette here. At this point, when it comes to Tokidoki, I would rather pay the extra just to get a full-on case, rather than having to go back and seek out another mystery box. Plus, there are reward points with Tokidoki if you order on the website. And per palette, there's 8 in total. And just again, the artwork is gorgeous. I am obsessed. I'm just so excited. Let's go ahead and get into these. Just a closer look what the box looks like. It's fashioned after a pint of ice cream, which is super cute. There's a little story of Tokidoki. You can pause and read that if you like. And look at the back. They even have nutritional facts. I mean, what ice cream related anything is 0 calories? But 100% in total fun, 100% in saturated fun, cuteness, sweetness. Their total characters, it says 9, and there's 100% Unicorno and 100% Tokidoki. That attention to detail is just amazing. So I'm going to open these up from the bottom. This is box number 1. And now it's standard that they do include a sticker related to the series. And they come with a little booklet so you can keep track of who you have. And again, here are the options. I'm really looking forward to seeing this Rocco Choco. Because I was a huge fan of Choco Tacos. And they used to sell them at Taco Bell of all places, but they're all so darling, so I cannot wait to see who we get. The first one. Okay. And we have, first one is the best one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Talk about manifesting. Oh my gosh. At first, I wasn't sure about the paint job because it looks like it's just smudging all over. But I wonder if they did that to give it a gradient feel, that there's like some extra stuff swirling in the vanilla. But you can see the chocolate here, encrusted right here, and then the body of the taco. And then this is like the foil unwrapping. You have this wings and the chocolate mane and the chunk body because it's a taco. Ah, so yummy. I love this. That was an amazing first one. So I'm gonna go in order actually. So I'm gonna go to the one right next to it. This is box number 2. And we have, oh my gosh, this is Ube-licious. Oh my gosh, Ube is, oh my gosh, excuse that noise. It's raining like crazy outside right now. But it is a purple potato. It's like a sweet potato, and it's very famously used in a lot of Asian sweets. A swirl here. It has like a little macaron in the hair, and it looks like there's like sprinkles. Y'all, this rain. You can't hear it? Okay. I'm just gonna keep pressing through, so excuse me. And the body is actually that of a mermicorno because it has the tail here, which is so cute. Beautiful color. So this glitter aspect is textured. So nice. Box number 3. Okay, so we have, whoa, we have Choco Minty. Oh my gosh, this might be my favorite one so far. I just love all the detail. Obviously, I love mint chocolate chip. Sue me. Look at this. The unicorn horn is the ice cream cone, and it's like chocolate dipped. And look at this on the top. That is so cute. So you can like hold it like this. And I love the pink against the mint and the drizzle here on the wing, which is also a waffle. We have the waffling cone here and it's dipped here with sprinkles. Gorgeous. Look at that tail. It's also dipped. Detail in the back is so great. I like that there's like a little Oreo stuck there. So cool. Okay, we're getting halfway through. This is box number 4. Okay, here we go. Who do we have? Who do we have? We got... Oh my gosh! Cute, this is Mochilina. I love her translucent body. Gorgeous. See, what I also love about the artwork is that you can't tell that if they're going to do anything different with the body. And it looks like it's infused with glitter and bubbles to give this effect here. Wow. I love the two-tone of the pink with the green. And look at the mochis. So cute. And the mochi on her back. Oh my gosh. This little detail there on the horn. Very nice. So cute. I love the two-tone here. We have the white and then the mint and the pink. Okay, we have box number 5. Number 5. Oh, I see. Okay, Stellina Pop. I see you. Wow. Stellina herself is a very popular character, already established in the Tokidoki line. So it's really great that they went back to that, paying homage to one of their very own. I just love the drip effect here. So gorgeous. Love it. What I love that's different about this, like they made the eyes debaze there as if it's one of those popsicles with the gumballs for eyes. And I love the stars on her and the drip on her horn there as well. And that popsicle stick sticking right out. And it's not flat, there's actually lines in there, so it's textured. These are her hooves. Love it. Box number 6. Number 6, number 6. What do we have? Oh, this is Rainbow Snow. She's also translucent. She's fashioned after Hawaiian shaved ice, which I love. And the little crazy straw she has there, so cute. Color injection. I like it, the yellow, the peach, the green. It's really been a while since I've had any shaved ice, but oh, see, yeah, duh, the white paper cone. We have box number 7. Okay. Music, gonna be. Are you seeing it? I know I am. We have Aloha Swirl. So we all know this is a Dole Whip. Essentially the same concept, that pineapple, vanilla deliciousness. I love the colorings on this. I love the color yellow on figurines. I think it stands out really nicely. The little umbrella is adorable. We have a stock here of the pineapple. The swirl is happening there for the horn. And the body is also translucent. And it's served in this green cup here, which is wrapped around the lower half. Very nice. That effect there is amazing. Okay, do your damn thing. And now we have the final box, box number 8. So it's either going to be the creamsicle one or the chaser. Send me all the positive energy that you want out there. Let's see what happens. All right, number 8, number 8, number 8. And we have orange creamy. Wow. Okay, see, I'm not mad at it. Again, I would rather have the entire original set than the chaser or any dupes. So this is a huge win. And you can see the orange slice here. And then the effect throughout the body is that orange running through the vanilla type thing. And you can see the creamsicle pop in her hair and the dual colors on her horn. She's from the back. Look at that. It's so nice. And on this side, she has the ice cream pop there. Oh, so beautiful. I am so happy, so pleased. Y'all, that was amazing. Wow. Not only did we not get any duplicates, we were able to complete the entire set, which is amazing. I have one final thing to share with you, and that's this Frozen Treats Unicorno Special Edition of Lickety Split. So this is amazing. It already came with its own sticker. It is obviously fashioned after a banana split, but look at that banana tail. My gosh. The mane is cute. She has a little monkey. Oh my god. So gorgeous. I love the detail underneath the wing and the dip of her ear. And this banana necklace. I love that. And then you can see his little face. So cute. I love when they do monkeys. I think this is the second figure I have featuring a monkey on it. And there's the bottom. And I knew I just had to have it because it does remind me of the USS Butterscotch. So I definitely dressed the part as if I'm at Scoops Ahoy Ice Cream Parlor. Serving up some amazing ice cream Tokidokis. More frozen treats. Comment down below which one was your favorite. If I had to pick a favorite outside of the obvious, it would have to be Choco Mint, just because they went above and beyond with this one. They really could have kept it simple, but they said, no, we're gonna do the most. And they surely did. I mean, how can you ignore the fact that there's an Oreo there? I just think it's so great. Did you end up picking up any of these figures? Are we twins on these? Let me know. Thank you so much for joining me. That was it. I am so happy to be able to share these with you. A huge thank you to all my subscribers. Your support means the world to me. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video out with someone you think that might like it. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell for future videos like this one. I'm wishing you all a wonderful Labor Day weekend. And with that, be safe. Tell somebody that you love them, because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.